Friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Sunday. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the nutrition for a healthy life. Nutrition contains micronutrients and macronutrients. What is the role of the macronutrients? Basically, macronutrients include the carbohydrates, proteins and fats are the main sources of energy for our bodies. So the understanding their role and incorporating them in appropriate proportion is essential for the healthy diet. Carbohydrates provide energy and are found in foods like grains, fruits and vegetables. Include lean sources of protein such as poultry, fish, legume and tofu. In your meal to support muscle growth and repair, healthy fats found in foods like avocados, nuts and olive oil are essential for the brain functions and hormone production. Incorporate these fats in the moderation to promote the heart health and nutrition absorption. Now comes the importance of micronutrients. In addition to micronutrients, play a vital role in the maintaining overall health. Micronutrients include vitamins and the minerals that support various body's function. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet to ensure an array of micronutrients. For example, citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, while leafy greens like spinach and kale provide essential vitamins and minerals for optimal body functions. So, what are the practical steps for the nutrition of lifestyle? Today, I will discuss some points for the tips. You can say the tips also. So, let's go for the tip number one. Plan your meals. Take time to plan your meals and snacks in advance, ensuring a variety of nutrient dense options. Another one is fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. Incorporate colorful array of fruits and vegetables in your meal to maximize your nutrients intake and add flavor and texture to your dishes. Third one is choose whole grains. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice and whole wheat bread over refined grains to increase fiber content and enhance nutrient density. Another one is include lean protein sources. Incorporate lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils to support muscle growth and repair. Another is practice portion control. Be mindful of portion size to avoid the overeating and maintain a healthy weight. Use similar plates and bowl to help control portions. Next is stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion, nutrition absorption, and overall hydration. Next is limited processed food and added sugars. Minimize the consumption of processed food, sugary snacks, and beverages as they are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugar, and sodium. Next one is cook at home. Cooking your meals allow you to have a better control over ingredients, portion sizes, and cooking methods. It can also be a fun and creative way to explore new flavors and recipes. And the next one is be mindful of fats. Choose healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, while limiting saturated and trans fats found in the fried and processed food. And the last one is listen to your body. Pay attention to your body hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you are hungry and stop eating when you are satisfied. So that's enough for today for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. I always bring good content like which is related to health care and health.